Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Chocolate color, blue color, pink color, green color, red color, orange color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Heart, circle, triangle, square, star and pentagon. Now let's draw the shapes. Heart. Next, circle. Next, triangle. Next, square. Next, star. Next, pentagon. Now we're going to put the color. Red color, heart. Green color, circle. Next, pink color, triangle. Next, blue color, square. Next, orange color, star. Next, chocolate color, pentagon. What we learned? We learned red color, heart, green color, circle, pink color, triangle, blue color, square, orange color, star, chocolate color, pentagon. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.